Not too fast. Take your time.
It's like it's waking up. It just needs a little help.
These will cook well today, soft and full of flavor.
We'll cook by the river today. The air is cooler there.
Why do we need those? Everything adds its own taste.
Look closely. The jungle always shows something new.
It feels so cold. That's how you know it's fresh.
Don't sit too close. Let the fire breathe. Nearly ready.
What is it?
A little house for the forest.
Then the forest will be very pleased.
We leave it as we found it.